This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Check out this 100 chart. It shows all the numbers from 1 to 100. We can use this 100 chart to help us add. Remember, we can add 1 by moving one space to the right. And if we get to the end of a row, we add 1 by moving down to the beginning of the next row. Let's go! Use the 100 chart to find 47 plus 5. Let's start at 47. Here it is. Now let's count on 5 times to add 5. 48, 49, 50. We've only added 3 so far. We need to add 2 more to add 5 in all. Let's move to the next row to keep counting. 51, 52. We landed on 52. So 47 plus 5 equals 52. Great! Let's try another one. Use the 100 chart to find 9 plus 64. We could start at 9 and add 64. But remember, we can add numbers in any order. Instead, let's start at 64 since it is the larger number. Here it is. Now let's add 9 by counting forward 9 times. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. We've added 6 so far. We need to move to the next row and add 3 more to add 9 in all. 71, 72, 73. When we counted forward 9 times, we landed on 73. So 9 plus 64 equals 73. Nice! Last, we have 3 plus 88. Let's start at 88 since it is the larger number. Here it is. Now let's count forward 3 times to add 3. This time, some of the numbers are missing in our chart. We'll fill them in as we count forward. 89, 90, 91. We landed on 91, so 3 plus 88 is 91. Way to go, students! It's time to try some on your own now. You've got this.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.